There's nothing better than that shiny clean feeling you leave the dentist with after a professional scrub. Now, Boots are offering that dental office feel treatment at home, with the Philips Sonicare Series 7900 Advanced Whitening Toothbrush. Shoppers say it cleans their teeth as well as a dentist, and it's now reduced by more than 50% in the Boots sale. Dubbed the Rolls-Royce of toothbrushes, the Philips Sonicare at regular retail price stands at £249.99, but it's currently discounted at Boots to £99.99, helping you make an impressive saving of £150. The Boots website states that this particular model of toothbrush has been proven to improve oral health and claims to whiten teeth in just 1 week, dislodging up to 7 times more plaque than your standard manual toothbrush. If that sounds too good to believe, Philips is offering a 2-year guarantee on the product, as advertised by Boots. Key features of this luxurious sonic electric toothbrush include an accompanying app, built-in pressure sensor, smart brush head recognition, and 4 brush modes with 3 different intensities. Brush sync technology helps the brush adapt to your personal habits, while a replacement reminder on your handle lets you know when it's time to replace your brush head, reports Birmingham Live. The Philips Sonicare USB charging case means you can take the brush wherever you might need, though the Series 7900 will last for up to 2 weeks on a single charge with regular use. Available in multiple colors on the Philips website for £128.99, you'll make the biggest savings on the Sonicare Series 7900 Advanced Whitening Toothbrush at Boots. The rechargeable toothbrush seems quite popular amongst buyers, garnering over 185-star reviews on the site. One happy customer noted, "Cleans just as well as the dentist. My teeth felt and looked so much better even after first use." Another elated buyer hailed it, "The Rolls-Royce of toothbrushes. Love it, no going back to my electric toothbrush now. My teeth feel really clean. Great value, as I purchased in the sale. I like the travel/case, it's neat and fits a spare brush head. And the battery life is good." One satisfied patron said of the Philips Sonicare, "My teeth have never felt so clean since I've been using this toothbrush. One of the best buys that I have ever made. Thoroughly recommended." Another pleased customer wrote, "Love it, no going back to my electric toothbrush now. My teeth feel really clean. Great value, as I purchased in the sale. I like the travel/case, it's neat and fits a spare brush head. And the battery life is good." Beauty deal of the week. Attention beauty buffs, as M&S Summer Beauty Bag for 2024 is officially here. The retailer's popular beauty bag is usually popular, and this year's is packed to the brim with major designer brands. Even better, it is currently on offer that lets you get it for £140 less. Priced at £170 overall, M&S shoppers can nab this must-have for just £30 when they spend £35 on any full-priced clothing, beauty or homeware items. Inside the summer beauty bag, shoppers will find 12 high-end products that have been hand-picked by experts. Some of the brands you will find include L'Occitane, Pixie, and Ren. If you're not already convinced, here's a closer look at what's included. L'Occitane Verbena Shower Gel, 250 ml, full size. This works perfect. Legs Body Butter, 200 ml, full size. Fresh Elements Hydrate Overnight Moisture Cream, 50 ml, full size. Pixie Lip Lift Max, 2.7 grams, full size, Ren Ready Steady Glow Dahlia Hot Tonic, 100 ml, Floral Street Arizona Blue Eau de Parfum, 10 ml, Clinique Moisture Surge 100H Auto Replenishing Hydrator, 15 ml, Formula Sleep and Replenish Ultimate Sleep Cream, 15 ml, Discover Sunrise Eau de Toilette, 30 ml, Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer, 50 ml, Ultra Sun Face Moisturizer Cream SPF 50+, 25 ml, Drive Papa SPF Lip Balm, 8 ml, shop the M&S Summer Beauty Bag here while stocks last. Not all were satisfied though, one shopper revealed their disappointment with the longevity of the product. They commented, "The battery in the toothbrush will not charge after 6 weeks." Back to Boots for a replacement. The Boots website describes the toothbrush as everything you need for great oral health, promising whiter teeth in 1 week. What's more, you can save 10% when you spend £60 on selected electrical beauty products at Boots today, so don't miss out on this deal. If you're searching for an alternative retailer, Amazon offers the same deal for a Philips Sonicare whitening toothbrush at a discounted price of £99.99, a significant 60% saving from the usual £249.99. For a more wallet-friendly option, Argos offers the Oral-B Pro Series 3 electric toothbrush in white for just £45. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Shop the Philips Sonicare Series 7900 Advanced Whitening Toothbrush while it's on sale at Boots for £99.99 here. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.